Hey everybody, Frankie Jacks here. This is a casting call. I'm looking for guys who can fill the roles of some of the guys on the TV show Pawn Stars. I got a script written for a parody. I could do all the parts myself, but that would be serious editing involved. So I'm looking for guys who can play the part of Rick, who's the owner, Corey, and Chumley, as well as a couple of random guys to play customers and experts. So if you know somebody or you're pretty good, give me a video response to the casting call, and let me see what you got, and I'll be in touch if I think you're up to the task, man. I got the old man covered. Got the old man covered. I'm not going to throw it down now. It's going to give too much away. But I'm probably one of the best you've seen imitating the old man. Give me those video responses. Let me see what you got, because I do not see a good Pawn Stars parody out there on YouTube. If you got a good parody out there, send me the link. Let me see it. Alright? Thanks for watching.